Thanks for stopping by. You can see them in the Calendar Snack dashboard. If you need to know more specific about a calendar snack, go to calendarsnack.com. You can register for free and give it a try. Today I'm looking at a persona called the football schedules at outlook.com. There are 309, as I click this button here, events for the NFL 24-25 season. As I click the 203 button, that's the 203 upcoming. And in particular, we're going to drill into the 29th. And you see that in the 29th, I've been sending out small batch calendar invites to our batch API to demonstrate how to send a calendar invite out to a large list to include millions using AWS pinpoint marketing. That said, I'm going to go ahead and drill into the send invites portion. Under send invites, there's a demo of the VIP list engine that talks to our interface for sending batch calendar invites. And I'm going to go to a list for the 11 invites, and it's right here. As I double click it, you'll see that they've been uploaded. When I show you this list, you'll see the 11 there. I'm going to hide this. And then in particular, I'm going to scroll down and find the New England Patriots. Now, the Patriots are up to bat here at 205. Today is the 29th, as I spoke about. And since it's coming up on noon, none of the 11 o'clock games are going to show up, obviously, because they're past. So what we have in the picker here is New England Patriots at the 49ers. I'm going to scroll down real quickly. I'm going to type in yes. I'm going to send out these calendar invites here. And what this API is doing is actually gathering the data out of this engine here, which we've built, which is part of our tech stack. So the calendar invites are stored in DynamoDB, and on a per demand basis, what I've done now is summon that particular calendar invite via this Lambda job, and I've asked for that to be sent out using the single event invitation send API in which we've built. So it just kind of buys you a little time. I needed that because the calendar invite itself needs to process. So with that said, as I go over to the live calendar clients here, or email clients, I should say, the first one up the bat is Mandy at techvader.com. She just received it for the Patriots against the San Francisco 49ers. She's going to say yes to this event. We're going to collect the calendar receipt data here in the back in S3. You're going to see that in a second. Zach's going to say yes as well. I'm going to scroll back for Zach to reset the box. And I'm going to go back up to our reporting engine, and I'm going to show you the high level and low level reporting capabilities we have. So when I go back to the get reports, I'm going to 309. You see all 309. There's 203, which is upcoming, and then to the 29, which are today. Now, specifically, we're going to go back to the 49ers. So when I type that in, Patriots at 49ers, you see that two RSVPs have been collected. I'm going to drill into the bucket itself, and this is the calendar invite data that was stored in the invitation itself in DynamoDB, in which we sent a multi-part calendar invite using our API. And when I go over here and click this little button, you'll see that we had 2 here, as I said, 2 accepted out of the 11. But to get the detailed data for this invitee report, I click this button here, and it's sent to the organizer. So the organizer here in the database is represented here, and you saw that this came in 11:58, and that's specifically for this game I'm talking about. You see that Zach here accepted, and you see Mandy accepted. And that's the details of this game. Thanks for stopping by. If you have any more questions, you can certainly contact me on YouTube. Thanks.